What's better than a 3D printed dragon? A 3D printed dragon egg. This dragon egg I printed in the dual gold and blue from everyone, available in our store at Vexil3Labs.co.za. This is absolutely stunning. It's the gold and the blue. And the best part of all, there is a gold and blue dragon on the inside. So this is the crystal dragon, printed in the gold and blue, in the silk. Absolutely amazing. And this is the two-piece dragon egg that assembles like that. How awesome is this? And it's amazing with all these colors. The gold and blue really pops. So leave a comment down below what you think of this, and if there's anything else you would like me to print and show you in our dual color and tricolor selection. All the wonderful filaments that I have been showing you is available on Vexil3Labs.co.za. Go have a look there. That's absolutely cool and epic. This blue is very pretty, as the gold. And I think this will make an awesome gift. Comment down below what you guys think.